Now, I wouldn't want you to run, but a Sprinter is a very popular premium fifth wheel. Let's check out some of those gorgeous Sprinter features right now. I want to start actually in the living area. I know I usually start in the kitchen, but let's go here first. Why? Headspace, number one, you got a lot of it, a minimum of 80 inches inside. You're going to keep the breeze over your head and stay cool with a ducted AC unit in the living area, utilizing the Blade Pure high-performance airflow system, plus an AC unit in the bedroom as well. Now, as for warmth, don't worry about it, got you there too. You get a 30,000 BTU furnace with in-floor heating ducts. And for heat plus ambiance, all Sprinters come with a 5,500 BTU electric fireplace with thermostat control, and because I don't want you to have to get up, you also get a remote. Now that we've gotten comfy pretty much covered, what do you say we check out some cozy? Now listen to this. Some Sprinter models have theater seating with light and massage. Speaking of light, let's talk control of that said lighting. As well as slide outs, tank monitoring, and more, you're going to get the in-command light control system. This little piece of techno wizardry makes camp life a whole heck of a lot easier. The living area, as well as the rest of the cabin, has Congolium vinyl flooring. What do you say we stroll on that seamless flooring right over to the kitchen? You're going to get features like seamless pressed countertops, residential style screwed and glued cabinetry, deep single basin stainless steel industrial sink, of course with a high-rise pull-out faucet and sprayer, stainless steel microwave with carousel, 3-burner gas range with 21-inch stainless steel oven and glass top, and 22-inch deep drawers with full extension heavy-duty guides. To cool your vittles, you'll get an impressive 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. Now let's head into the bathroom. Here you get some very nice amenities, including a seamless single-piece pressed countertop, porcelain toilet, plus either a large 40 by 30 fiberglass shower with glass door and skylight, or a large radius shower with skylight. FYI, to get hot water faster all over, Sprinters come equipped with the Girard tankless water heater. As for the Sprinter bedroom, it comes with a queen bed with gas strut storage underneath. And let me tell you, having that space is extremely handy. You get blackout night shades. They're in the bedroom as well as the rest of the cabin, just FYI. LED reading lights sit above the bed. Plus, the bedroom has a TV hookup. Ooh, TV's got me thinking about more of that Sprinter entertainment. And while I'm there, let me tell you, every model has a premium entertainment center with HD LED TV, sound bar, exterior TV hookup, and speakers inside as well as outside with reception easily controlled by the exclusive KeySource multi-source signal controller. For outside entertainment, you'll also get outside TV prep with a GFI outlet and satellite cable hookups. Now, I just started talking about the exterior, so what do you say we check out the rest of what's going on with the Sprinter on the outside? Entry and exit are made easy with the MORryde step above steps. You'll rest easy and get to camp quicker with the electric stabilizer jacks and optional one-touch 4-point leveling system. Your camp gear will stay safe and warm inside the heated pass-through storage with lockable slam latch baggage doors. And some storage compartments, guess what? They also have motion sensor lighting. At night, grabbing stuff makes life so much easier. To save power, every Sprinter Limited has a battery disconnect as well as the Keystone exclusive Solar Flex 200 solar energy kit with the 400i option. For more power, you can opt for the amazing pair of 100 amp hour Dragonfly lithium batteries. Let me tell you, great upgrade. Oh, I nearly forgot about the electric awning with friction hinge adjustment, LED light strip, and manual override for maximum outdoor relaxation. You gotta have it. I mean, if you can't get it out electrically, you gotta use that old arm crank. Plus, some models will have a second awning. Want to look over the campground or enjoy the stars at a higher level? You'll get a rear ladder to lead you onto the fully walkable roof. You'll also get the convenient max turn technology for ease in maneuvering your Sprinter into position, plus the road armor suspension, so the ride is just a bit smoother. And to add to the ease, there's also hitch vision. Let's see, what else? They all come with an exterior shower with hot and cold water, oversized rotocast holding tanks with best-in-class capabilities, backup camera prep, and dazzling aluminum wheels that come with a lifetime warranty. What should be in the forefront of your mind when you're considering your RV purchase? I gotta tell you, it should be construction. A Keystone Sprinter is built to last. Every Sprinter has a 3-year limited structural warranty and is built on a 100-inch wide body. They use 2-inch aluminum frame and laminated sidewalls, have dual-layer insulation, and a one-piece Dynaspan marine-grade decking. Underneath, you'll get a heated and enclosed underbelly with astrofoil insulation. All this insulation talk leads me to this. A Keystone Sprinter comes with a thermal package for camping from 0 to 100 degrees. Booyah! Other unseen but very appreciated features include color-coded unified wiring for easier electrical fixes, tough-lock thermoplastic duct joiners that won't rust and prevent water damage, true fit slide construction, with the slides also having equal torsion cable slides with manual override, and an automotive-grade painted fiberglass cap with that key shield protection. A reminder, a Keystone Sprinter is a premium fifth wheel and therefore is pretty large. They all average around 10,000 pounds unloaded and run from 30 to 40 feet. Ergo, a bigger truck is pretty much going to be necessary to sprint across the country in your Sprinter. Now, I'm a family man, so let's peek into some of those select bunkhouse models. The 31MB looks like a classic rear living floor plan with those beautiful, huge opposing slide-outs. Entertainment center with fireplace and kitchen island. But check out the middle. That, my friend, is a bunk room or an office, but really a bunk room with a queen-size pull-out sofa and bunk above it. Pretty awesome. The 31MB can sleep up to 7. The 35BH is a bunkhouse dream and can sleep 7 as well. Check out the private bunk room with its queen over queen beds, private half bath with direct access from the exterior. The living area is spacious, courtesy of opposing slide-outs, and comes with a kitchen island plus angled entertainment center with fireplace. The main bedroom has a wardrobe slide-out. On the exterior, you're going to get dueling mini fridges. For the camping couple, you're also going to get the 25ml. Now, this Sprinter has an amazing rear kitchen across the rear wall and up the side. The single living area slide-out has theater seats across from the entertainment center with fireplace. Up front, the bedroom has a nice wardrobe slide. Built for a couple, the 25ml can still sleep up to 4. The 30RL has a massive living area with opposing slide-outs, tri-fold sofa, kitchen island with a ton of counter space on the side, and wall mount dinette. The master bedroom has a wardrobe slide and direct access to the bathroom via the sliding door. The 30RL can easily sleep up to 4. Pretty sweet, right? Well, you can get your fingers sprinting across your keyboard to find your new Sprinter at rv.campingworld.com. And as always, happy camping.